Funny how the distance makes it feel like you're right here. I never thought I'd be the one to say that I can feel your presence with me though you're not around. I'm carrying you with me anyway. And you say you are not alone in this world. You are not alone. Every now and then the missing you gets hard to bear. So damn much it brings me to my knees. But every now and then I get this picture in my head of you standing there smiling at me. And you say,
Ashley, you're the only one that I could ever imagine being on Brendan's team. In just 4 years, the two of you have built a home, a team, and a family that could take on the world. Your son is the best thing that's happened to all of our lives. And I'm so glad that he took the road that ultimately led to you.